Okay. Well, I want to thank you all for coming today. It's been 2 weeks today that we launched the first edition of the Forex Best Awards. In fact, it's an idea that went from our CEO, Francesc, at the beginning of the year. He came up with the idea of doing a sort of competition and some awards for our contributors on fx3.com, and then we put everything into movement to be able to do that with you. So the idea was that with the team with FX3, we put together a list of nominees that are the content and the contributors that we considered as some of the best of our website and of the Forex community. And then we asked to all the users of fx3.com to vote for their favorite content and contributors. So I'm here today with Noemi Jansana. Noemi is the web director of fx3.com, and she's going to present with me these awards. So Noemi, hi.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Gilson, who is the communications manager at fx3.com. And well, I'm here with Maud to present this award.
Okay, so just a few data for you to know a bit about the survey, how it went. In total, we received 7,880 votes since the launching of the survey. That was Friday the 5th. And we closed the vote on this Wednesday, February the 16th. As I said before, the list of nominees was made by fx3.com content team and advisors, and we finished up with a list of 35 pieces of content and 60 different contributors, a bit more than 60. People could vote on fx3.com website through a survey system, and so a page that is that you can see the link on this slide. So without further introduction, I think we can go and start and announce the first category and the first awards.
Let's go with the first nominees for the first edition of fx3.com Forex Best Awards. Let's start with the best fundamental analysis, and the nominees are Merck Insights by Merck Hard Currency Fund, Top Fundamental Stories by easypools.com, Live Daily Broadcast by All Things Forex, Thoughts on the Global Economy and FX Markets by econometer.org, Forex Weekly Outlook by Forex Crunch.
Okay, so from those 5 different contents, the FX award of the best fundamental analysis research goes to
Forex Weekly Outlook by Forex Crunch. Congratulations, your high alarm. As some of you may know right now, Forex Crunch is currently written by Yohai Elam, and Yohai has been into Forex trading for over 4 years now and started his contribution with fx3.com on May of 2010. Apart from this awarded report, he also publishes daily content and participates in the Experts Forecast Currencies poll. And let's go with the next category.
Maybe we can announce the second and the third one.
And the third, yeah, sure.
So we know who finished not the first, but then the second and third position.
In the second position, it was Live Daily Broadcast by All Things Forex, and in the third position, we have Merck Insights by Merck Hard Currency Fund.
Okay.
And now, yes, with the next category.
Okay, let's go for the next one. So the next category is the best educational content. The nominees in this category are an ebook wrote by Chris Capri, Learn what to pay attention to and how things work in the FX market. Then we had a series by Andrew Knight that was called 10 Basic Forex Lessons. The Forex Trading Strategy, that is a weekly piece written by Boris Slotberg. The Lessons from the Pros, a weekly piece by Sam Staden from the Online Trading Academy. Then an article published by TFI FX, that is called Technical Analysis Explained. And finally, this is a video analysis by Learning Markets, so Jansana, Gilson, and Jansana, about the new CFTC rules and what would be the meaning of the leverage in particular new rule.
And the FX award goes to...
Okay, lessons from the pros. This is the weekly piece written by Sam Seddon. This is an article that is published in the Online Trading Academy newsletter. This is a piece that we are having on fxstreet.com, I would say, since its beginning. I've been here for 3 years and I've always known that content. Sam Seddon brings over 15 years of experience of not only the Forex market but also equities and futures trading, options and commodities as well. He has been trading for himself and then educated hundreds of traders and investors around the world. He was, in fact, at the International Traders Conference of fxstreet.com that we host here in Barcelona, and he came here in 2008. He's doing this piece, yes, on a weekly basis, and it's one of the most famous educational content on our website too. The second and the third place first. The second place for the best educational content goes to Boris Schlossberg's weekly piece that is called Forex Trading Strategy, and the third place is going to Andre Knight's series called 10 Basic Forex Lessons. That's it for this one.
Let's move now to the next category. And now let's see who was the winner of the Best Broker Research Team. And the nominees are Bill Hubert and Howard Friend from Mid Bank, James Chen and Joseph Tredisani from FX Solutions, the Daily FX Research Team, Alex Sullivan and Jeremy Cook from Wolfers UK Ltd, Peter Rosentrich from ACM, Slobodan Benica from Windsor Brokers, Andrew Wilkinson from Interactive Brokers LLC, Cesar Leiteaga and Stoyan Mijatovic from Delta Stock, and Paul Cavanon and Phil Flynn from PSG Best.
Okay, so for the Best Broker Research Team category, the FX award goes to
Daily FX Research Team.
Yep.
Let's see a little bit inside this winner. Daily FX Research Team started the contribution with fxstreet.com back in 2003, and their contribution has been always really appreciated by fxstreet.com readers. With 9 internationally based analysts publishing over 30 articles and producing 5 video news updates daily, Daily FX offers in-depth coverage for price action, predictions of likely market moves, and exhaustive interpretations of silent economic and political developments.
Okay, yeah, the second and the third.
Let's see who was on the second position. It was for James Chen and Joseph Tredisani at FX Solutions, and the third position was for Andrew Wilkinson at Interactive Brokers LLC.
Okay, great. Let's move forward to the following category. Okay, the best magazine. So the best or investment or Forex magazine. So we had here 3 nominees that are articles, magazine series that are that have been working with FX Street in 2010. We have Your Trading Edge, SFO magazine, and the FX Trader magazine.
And the FX award goes to
the FX Trader magazine. I don't know if you've read that, but last year we published a series of interviews that was called Women in Forex. It was a series of 8 interviews with successful and top FX traders or analysts. And this series was published, well, we started to publish it with the FX Trader magazine in September of last year. They're publishing 2 articles each month. And the magazine is a NE magazine, so it's an online version of the magazine, and every 3 months they publish a new issue. The FX Trader magazine offers FX traders independent currency trading advice and strategies to become a Forex expert. So it's mainly an educative magazine. That's it for this one. We just have here in this category, we just have 3 nominees, so I will have to say all the nominees, but the second one is SFO, and the third is Your Trading Age. So in this order. Okay, what else? The next one.
Next
Noemi?
category.
Best blogger.
Best blogger. Here we decided just to list all the bloggers family we have here at FXStreet.com. I'm going just to name all of them quickly. We have Wayne McDonald for FX Bootcamp, Raghi Horner for Chartology, Dr. Shivaraman for FX Market Readings, James Chen for FX Path, Roger Machita for The Trader's Age, Brian Schelling for Forex Hedge, Cesar Belenciaga for Tech Trading, Ian Coleman for The Samurai Trader, Mike Baghdadi for Training Traders, Brett Michalowski for the FX Traders Link, Frances Riverola for the CEO's blog, and Valeria Bednarik for the Advisor's blog.
I'm saying that this is saying that we shouldn't read them all, but I think it's like Borky said, it's like a ceremony.
We know that we are not Billy Crystal, sorry for that, but we are doing our best. So I'm not a showman, I can see that.
No, I just want to say that I think that even if it's a long list, it's nice to give the name of everyone, I guess. That would be grateful if we would. So for the best blogger, the FX Award goes to
Wayne McDonald for the FX Bootcamp. Back in 2006, Wayne McDonald and FXStreet.com meet each other, starting a long and solid partnership that has brought to life some of the most valued content of FXStreet.com, like the webinar that you, for sure, the Trade Non-Farm Payrolls Live. And in 2008, Wayne joined the FXStreet.com bloggers family, and he and FX Bootcamp team have been publishing intra-daily posts for all the blogs, RSS readers, and FXStreet.com users. And second and third for this category were, in the second position, James Chen for FX Path, and in the third position, Mike Baghdadi for Training Traders.
Yeah. Okay, good for Wayne is saying Harley, yeah. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, the next category was the best MetaTrader add-on. As you might know, I think it was less than 1 year ago, we launched a new section at FX Street that is called MetaTrader, and it offers a selection and analysis and tips for the huge quantity of MetaTrader add-ons that are offered over there. It's a selection of the best technical indicator and expert advisors. So we listed here 6 of them. Sweet Spot Extreme by Safari Traders, Night Candle Watcher by FX9.com, TUI Indicator by Ola Forex, 100 Pips a Day by MetaQuotes, Breakout Panca Indicator by Apalcos, and Forex Readmaster by James King. So the votes here of the users decided that.
And the FX Award goes to
100 Pips a Day by MetaQuotes. MetaQuotes is, as you might know, the best developer of add-ons for, the biggest developer of add-ons for MetaTrader, obviously. As you can see, this is a technical indicator that uses 2 simple moving averages. You can read the card over there. I'm not a good specialist for MetaTrader, but then the price goes to MetaQuotes. Then in the second and third position, we have the Night Candle Watcher by the FX9.com And in the third position, we have the Forex Master by James King. That's it for this category. Noemi, next one.
Yeah, next category. Let's see who was the best new contributor of 2010. And the nominees are FX Times Team, Forex Crunch, Around FX, BK Forex Advisors, Compass Global Markets, Forex Top Hunter.
Okay, so the award for the best new contributor goes to
FX Times. FXP.com Rookie of the Year is a team composed by Nick Nassat and Fan Yang, both former analysts at CMS Forex. They decided in 2010 to start their own business adventure, maintaining the FX Times website on their own. They offer currently 3 daily fundamental and technical analysis and weekly technical updates. Nick Nassat also participates in the monitoring the market sessions. We broadcast from the homepage for major event releases like the Fed rate decisions or the US GDP release. Let's see second and third positions on this category. And the second place, we have Forex Crunch. And in the third place, we have BK Forex Advisors.
Yeah, Forex Crunch is Yohai Lam. And then BK Forex Advisors is Boris Schlossberg and Catillion, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Well, let's move to the next category.
Okay.
We are just right now. We are in the middle.
Yeah. You're with us. Okay, so this is the category of the best educators. So this is their place. I mean, Hotcom Room is like the second home for most of them since they're spending so many hours on the webinars room. Under the best educator section, we have the speakers of the webinars you are following every day on FX3. The list is really long. We didn't want to put everybody, but it was hard not to put many names because all these nominees are giving at least one webinar per week or have been with FX3 for years and years. So the list is Adam Rosen, Andre Knight, Chris Capri, Derek Frey, Dr. Sivaraman, Ed Ponce, Ian Coleman, James Chen, Joseph Trevizani, Mihai Marinescu, Mike Baghdadi, Phil Newton, Rob Booker, Sam Sayden, Valeria Bednarik, and Wayne McDonald, as Noemi said before, with the non-farm payrolls webinar. This is, I must say that it was the category that most people vote. I mean, that is the category that most people didn't say, they didn't know the answer. So that's the category that many people answered.
And the FX award goes to
Sam Sayden. Sam Sayden, I would say without surprise, because he's one of the speakers that gets the most and the biggest audience for the webinars. I wouldn't say, I can't say, and I have no place here to say who is the one from the Online Training Academy. I said a few words about Sam Sayden before. He's about webinars. He's hosting 2 webinars per month here on FX3, and he's been doing those webinars since, I would say, the first day. I don't know if Noemi, you remember the first webinar you gave?
I'm pretty much sure that it was 2006, but not sure.
Well, when we started.
Not 100% sure.
Yeah, but when we started.
2006 or maybe early 2007.
Okay. Great. So the second one would be Wayne McDonald, the second best speaker. And the third one is James Chen from FX Solutions. Then shall we go to the next one? The next category is
the best technical analysis. And well, the nominees are by FX Strategy Special Focus, FX Market Alerts for Forex Market Alerts, Pivot Farm for Major Support and Resistance Analysis, Precise Trader for Daily Expectation Measures, the FXP.com team for the Expert Forecast Currencies Poll, Valeria Bednarik and Alberto Muñoz for the Currency Measures Technical Perspective, and FX Times for Daily Technical Update.
Okay, so we have quite a lot of nominees here. And the FX award goes to
the Experts Forecast Currencies poll by the FX.com team. We must say here that this report is made by the FX.com team, the FX.com team, but it couldn't be possible without the contribution of the next analysts that I'm going to mention, and this prize is for all of them. Let's start with Gonzalo Moreira, Guillermo Alcalá, Alberto Muñoz, Soyan Mikhailov, Valeria Bednarik, James Chen, Dr. Sivaraman, EasyPool.com, Ilian Yotov, Mauricio Carrillo, Adam Narfelsky. Sorry for those that I'm not able to pronounce their names correctly. I'm apologizing for this. Also, Anna Cooling, Ian Coleman, PivotFarm.com, Yohai Elam, Chris Capri, Mohamed Isha, Thomas Teravicius, Derek Frey, Dale J. Pinker, and I have a breaking news here. Starting next week, also, Sam Saden will be participating in this forecast. The Expert Forecast Currencies poll is published every Friday during the American session. Actually, today it is going to be published in a couple of hours. And it contains the levels and targets expected for the following week, month, and quarter. The poll is a unique piece in the market which plots numbers to the current sentiment. It's a key report since that well-followed experts take part in it. And let's see the second and the third on this category.
Positions.
Yeah, second and the third position. In the second position, Rookie of the Year, FX Times with the daily technical updates. And in the third position, Pivot Farm with the major support and resistance analysis.
Okay, great. So a big thank you for the contribution of all those analysts that give every week their forecast for this special report. Okay, let's move on. The next category is the best book. The nominees are James Chen for Essentials of Technical Analysis for Financial Markets, T.J. Marta and Joseph Brusella for Forex Analysis and Trading, Ed Ponti for the Ed Ponti Forex Playbook, Wayne McDonald for the FX Bootcamp Guide, Dirk Dutoit for Bird Watching in Lion Country Edition 2010, Mark Whistler for Volatility Illuminated, and Ryan O'Keefe for Making Money in Forex. This is the finalist.
And the FX award goes to?
It goes to James Chen for Essentials of Technical Analysis for Financial Markets. This is the second book, if I'm not wrong, it's the second book by James Chen. It's a comprehensive guide to technical analysis and market trading strategies. It's not only about Forex, but about technical analysis for sure. James Chen is working with FX Street since December 2007. He is, well, besides this book, then he is hosting a lot of webinars with FX Street. He's running a blog too here. He was at the Barcelona ITC conference in 2009, and he produced a DVD with FX Street. So James is pretty much working on everything with us here at FX Street. So congratulations to him. And then the second best book is for Wayne McDonald, the FX Bootcamp Guide. And the third position is for Dirk Dutoit for his ebook Bird Watching in Lion Country Edition 2010. So congratulations to everyone. Let's go to the best banking.
Yeah, in the best banking research team, the nominees are Danske Bank Research Team, KBC Bank Research Desk, Mizuho Corporate Bank, Nicole Elliott in Mizuho Corporate Bank, BHS Bank Economics Department, UniCredit Research Team, Wells Fargo Research Team, National Bank of Canada Economic and Strategic Team.
Okay, let's see for this category. The FX award goes to
Danske Bank research team. In 2005, Danske Bank and FXStreet.com started a profitable partnership. For over 6 years, Danske Research has produced hundreds of excellent analyses widely respected and followed for our users. Their weekly focus analysis, published every Friday, is one of the most viewed weekly content of FXStreet.com. Let's see who are in the second and third categories. The second place, we have Nicole Elliott from Mizuho Corporate Bank, and in the third place, it was for the Wells Fargo research team.
Okay. Next, hours. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One big award here also for the best webinar. As you might know, we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of webinars. I think in last year we did like, I think it was 5,000 webinar in the year. So it was, well, we had to choose some, you know, but we finished with that list. Of course, the Trade Non-Farm Payrolls Live presented every month since now, I think it was started in 2006. 2006. Okay, so last year we did the 50th edition. That's the webinar we have here. Then a webinar presented by Sam Seiden, identifying high probability turning points. Webinar presented by Chris Caffrey, called Advanced Price Action Trading. Then Sanim Malwani, a webinar called the 1-2-3 Chart Pattern. Dr. Sivaraman again with My Trading System, that is a 10-chapter series. And finally, Mike Baghdadi with another series of 4 chapters called Introduction to Price Behavior. So I think it was a harsh competition in this category too. And the FX award goes to Sam Seiden again with the webinar Identifying High Probability Turning Points. Sam again, I don't know, I don't know what to say here.
Well, it's obviously congratulations, Sam.
Yeah, it would be.
Please continue here contributing on FXStreet.com for many, many years.
Yeah, I have said already about Sam, so I'm sure I'm sure everybody here know Sam for a long time. So I think that's it. We've finished the list. We will issue a press release at the end of, in half an hour. I will release a press release, and
everyone will be able to check the list of winners from FXStreet.com homepage all over the weekend. We are going to highlight, the release will be published on our CEO's blog, and I'm going to place highlights on the homepage, so everyone could check it.
Can review. I think a question about VIP. There was a limitation. There was 1 vote per computer. It was indicated in the first slide I showed. The system we use permits us to control that. So that's it. Boyke, second and third.
If you could give the second and third for the webinar's position. We forgot to mention.
I'm sorry.
I was typing them.
Yeah, that's true. Thanks, Boyke. It's the emotion. The best webinar. So after Sam, we have Wayne McDonald for the NFP Live webinar, and the third best webinar is Mike Baghdadi's Introduction to Price Behavior. I'm sorry, I forgot to give those names. Thanks, Boyke, for reminding that. That's it. Gonzalo is asking who in this room voted in this survey. Thanks, Boyke. I
think Boyke deserves the prize to the best user and follower.
Boyke has been with FX Street like always, no? Since the first day.
Yeah. I remember Boyke, always. He's always been there.
So, okay, I think that's it, everyone. Thanks for joining us, and congratulations again for all the winners. And we hope that next year we can do another edition, and that we'll have other nominees, and we will have other winners and other content in this competition. Thanks everyone.
Thank you very much. As I said, you will be able to check the winners list from fx3.com homepage, and congratulations to all the winners on this first edition of our FX Awards. Hopefully next year you would be able to vote for the second edition.